Hello! Today we are going to train your English voice to compare have and have got. In these expressions, have means to eat and drink. We cannot use have got when we talk about eating or drinking. Now remember, I plus have together is I've. In these expressions, when we are talking about eating or drinking, we don't use I've. We say I have, not I've when we're talking about eating and drinking. So have a look at the sentence examples. I have breakfast in the morning. So that word have means to eat the breakfast. We don't say I've breakfast in the morning. No, I have breakfast in the morning. I have a coffee at 11 a.m. Have in this sentence means to drink. You drink coffee. Once again, we don't say I've a coffee at 11 a.m. No, I have a coffee at 11 a.m. He will have a pizza for dinner. Now we have the subject he, will, showing something that will happen in the future, have a pizza for dinner. In these action expressions, we also cannot use have got. Remember, actions are something that you can do. And once again, we do not use I've. We do not use I've. We use have. Okay. So have a look at the sentences. Have a shower or a bath. That is an action expression. It's something you can do. So we use have, not have got. If I say I will have a shower later, I have got a shower later? No, it doesn't sound right. I will have a shower later. I have a holiday, a rest, a party. I could also use a third person, saying she will have a party. Have a swim. Once again, it's an action and we cannot use have got. Have a baby. It is the action of having a baby. Have a walk. Once again, that's an action expression and we cannot use have got. Excellent job, well done. Goodbye.